JavaScript errors on Ticketmaster can be the difference between getting those concert tickets you want and missing out entirely. These technical issues prevent users from completing their ticket purchases and have become increasingly common. JavaScript errors on Ticketmaster fall into four main categories. First, script loading failures occur when network timeouts or CDN problems prevent essential code from loading. Browser incompatibility happens when legacy JavaScript code conflicts with modern browsers or when newer ES6 features aren't supported. Ad blocker conflicts are increasingly common, where browser extensions block essential Ticketmaster scripts, breaking core functionality. Finally, memory and performance issues occur during high-traffic events when JavaScript heap overflow or slow script execution causes browser crashes. In 2024 and 2025, several specific JavaScript errors have become particularly problematic. Qt integration failures are causing infinite loading loops, where users get stuck in the waiting room system and cannot proceed to purchase tickets. Payment processing. JavaScript errors during checkout have become a major issue, preventing users from completing their purchases even after waiting in queue. Mobile browser compatibility problems are particularly severe on iOS Safari and Android Chrome, where touch events and payment processing often fail. Ad blocker conflicts have reached critical levels, affecting 15 to 20% of users. Popular extensions like uBlock Origin and AdBlock Plus are blocking essential Ticketmaster functionality, causing broken checkout processes and preventing ticket purchases. Ticketmaster has been implementing significant technical improvements to address these JavaScript errors. They've enhanced their error logging systems with better user feedback and proactive issue detection. The platform now uses a mobile-first JavaScript architecture optimized for mobile browsers with progressive web app features. Additionally, they've optimized script loading for better handling of high-traffic events and integrated modern browser APIs for improved performance. These improvements aim to reduce the JavaScript errors that prevent users from successfully purchasing tickets. When Ticketmaster JavaScript errors occur, there are proven solutions that can resolve most issues. We'll explore both user-level fixes and developer approaches to ensure reliable access to ticket purchasing. The most effective user-level solutions include keeping your browser updated, which improves compatibility by 85%. Disabling ad blockers temporarily resolves 70% of JavaScript blocking issues. Clearing your browser's cache and cookies resolves 60% of stored data conflicts. Switching to a different browser like Chrome or Firefox has an 85% success rate, while using the official mobile app provides 95% reliability. Current statistics reveal that JavaScript errors affect 8 to 12% of Ticketmaster users, with mobile users experiencing 40% more issues than desktop users. Browser refresh resolves 45% of problems. More effective solutions show higher success rates. Disabling ad blockers resolves 70% of issues, while switching browsers achieves 85% success. These statistics guide users toward the most effective troubleshooting approaches. For developers, implementing comprehensive JavaScript error tracking provides visibility into user issues. Cross-browser compatibility testing ensures consistent functionality across different platforms and versions. Graceful degradation ensures core ticket purchasing works even when JavaScript fails. Bundle optimization reduces loading times, while fallback mechanisms provide alternative user flows when primary scripts encounter errors. Graceful degradation ensures that essential ticket purchasing functionality remains available even when JavaScript fails. This approach provides fallback options and clear error messages, maintaining user access to core features regardless of technical issues. The most effective approach combines user-level troubleshooting with robust developer practices. Users should start with simple solutions like browser refresh, then progress to more effective methods like switching browsers or using the mobile app. Developers must prioritize error tracking, graceful degradation, and mobile optimization to minimize JavaScript issues for all users.